नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स, खुश रहो बिटियो। आई JVN डॉक्टर नरेंद्र सिंह शेखावत, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर कम क्लिनिकल कंसल्टेंट कम प्रोक्टोलॉजिस्ट, द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ शल्यतंत्र, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। In previous class, we discussed about some part of retention of some part of retention of urine, include definition, etiology, clinical features, and physiology of urine retention. In today's class, we will discuss the rest part of urine retention, include types, investigation, and treatment of urine retention. Students, retention of urine in Ayurveda is called Muttavrod or Muttakach or Mutravghat. We will discuss in another session about Muttavrod. Let's begin with types of urine retention. There are three types of urine retention: acute, chronic, retention with overflow. These are the three types of retention of urine. Investigations. Investigation of retention of urine is ultrasonography of abdomen, blood, urea, serum, creatinine, urine microscopy. So, student, these are the investigation of related to urine retention. Now, we discuss about treatment. Urinary catheterization using Foley's catheter is the first aid or first treatment for the urine retention. If it is fails, then suprapubic cystostomy is called SPC using Malicose catheter is done. The cause is treated. Intermittent catheterizations in case of neurogenic bladder. Management of retention of urine. Clinically and sonological assessment of kidney, ureter, and bladder. Evaluation for causes. Evaluation for obstructive uropathy and renal function. Urinary catheterization by Foley's catheter, red rubber catheter, and or metallic catheters. SPC with Malicode catheter by open method or using Foley's catheter by Toker puncture method. Next treatment is intermittent catheterization. Another treatment is in children is vesicostomy in children. Is an operation that makes an opening from the bladder to outside of your children's body. This opening is in the abdomen just below the navel. The opening lets urine drain out and prevents urine from being trapped inside the bladder. Treating the cause. Post-operative retention is a common cause. It is treated by reassurance, placing hot water bag over suprapubic region change of position or standing only occasionally by catheterization. So this is the vesicostomy in the children. As you can see in this diagram, navel, this is in left side navel of children and stoma. In the right side diagram, bladder with vesicotomy, as you can see. In this picture, as you can see, clear visualization of colostomy. This is umbilicus, then and colostomy, vesicostomy, mucostomy. So, student, this is all about the retention of urine. This session is powered by This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any doubts and queries, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Okay, student. Thank you.